Welcome back to the channel, guys. Always a pleasure to have you here. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, let us know where you are watching from, and if you want to enjoy this adventure and more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today is an absolute fun one. We've got some outdoor Christmas cooking for you guys, so stay tuned and enjoy some adventure. This is what I absolutely love about nature. Everything is there providing resources. This huge cutting board is literally just a piece of a tree trunk. And then here we've got some meat that's going to be prepped. We're doing some curried goat. And it absolutely would not be the Jamaican culture without some Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're here prepping the cold stove. I'm not the one doing any cooking today, guys. I'm sitting back and letting the gentlemen do their stuff. I can't wait to enjoy this meal. One of my favorite food to have in Christmas time is definitely curried goat. Look at that. You can absolutely see the flavor already, and there's barely anything on it. But we've got some scallion. You see a couple roast breadfruits right over in that little corner. That should be a tasty treat to pair with the curried goat. We have to have our fresh seasoning in the Jamaican countryside. That is the way of the land. That's how we do it here in the countryside. So he's just going ahead, adding some of that green onion, aka scallion, and we'll see where it goes from there. So this right here is my dad's secret season blend. I really wish I could tell you all the things that's in it, but I don't know myself. But it's an excellent rub. We use it on our jerk pork, jerk chicken, curried goat, any type of meat that we're seasoning. That is a must have for our meat. He's going ahead, he's adding some thyme. Definitely see those scallions in that we saw earlier. More powder seasoning. And he's just going to town on this bad boy. Okay, so right now, guys, he's adding some crushed garlic to the mixture. You definitely want to have some garlic in your curried goat. And then up last but not least, he's going to be adding that rich yellow curry that has to be on the curried goat, and some masala. I've always known that to be a thing in the countryside when they're cooking curried goat. They always mix masala. If you know exactly what masala is, you can let me know in the comment section. I know it's a powder, but I'm not sure where it's from or what it derives from, or but like I always say, guys, fresh is best, and you can definitely see why that is so. The seasoning, they look absolutely scrumptious. They do. You can just see how much of a difference it makes when you're using fresh ingredients. And we're checking on the jerk pork over here. He's scaling. Jamaica always says scal. He's scaling the meat, and now he's adding some oil to the meat, so the seasoned, that better pack curry can stick a little bit better on the meat with the oil on it first. Very smart tip. When Jamaicans say we little, but with talawa, there is something deep under that for we mean it.
I want it gamey.
All good things must come to an end, guys. It was an absolute pleasure sharing this moment with you guys. I don't know about you, but I am ready to dig into that jerk pork. You can actually, oh, mighty God. We give thanks. We give thanks for small mercies and for jerk pork and jerk chicken. Be well, guys. Be safe. Enjoy your holidays. Just be well. I'm going to enjoy some of this food. Bye, guys. Until next time.